Mark Zuckerberg is giving away what Meta calls one of the world's best AI models for free. Yeah, you heard that right. But it just dropped Llama 3.1, a massive top-of-the-line language model free of charge. Zuckerberg's been splashing billions on AI, though he's keeping mum on the exact cost of this beast. While most AI companies are all about locking things down, Meta's taking a different route. Of course, they are also stirring up the debate about the risk of releasing AI without much oversight. Llama's designed to avoid harmful output by default, but those guardrails can be removed if you know what you're doing. Meta's latest model, Llama 3.1, is its biggest yet, and it's free and almost open source. They spent months on training it on 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, while it probably costs as much as small countries' GDP in electricity alone. The end product, a 405 billion parameter model with 128,000 token context length that, according to benchmarks, outshines OpenAI GPT-4 and even Claude 3.5 Sonnet on some key metrics. But benchmarks can be deceiving. The real test, just vibing with it. Llama 3.1 comes in three sizes, 8B, 70B, and the Big Daddy 405B. More parameters usually means a better model, but it's not always about the case. GPT-4 supposedly has over 1 trillion parameters, but who really knows? Meta's cool move is making a Llama kind of open source. You can make money off it, but if your app has more than 700 million monthly active users, you'll need a license from Meta. The training data isn't open source though. It might include everything from your old blog post and GitHub repost to your Facebook friends from 2006 and even WhatsApp messages. The code for training Llama is surprisingly simple, 300 lines of Python and PyTorch with a library called Fastscale to spread overload across multiple GPUs. But the open model weights, that's a big win for developers. Self-hosting this chain won't be cheap. Downloading and using it locally means dealing with 230 gigabytes of weight, and even with an RTX 4090, you might struggle. The good news is you can try it out for free on platforms like Meta, Grow, or NVIDIA's Playground. Initial feedback from random internet folks is Big Llama is a bit of letdown, but the smaller models are pretty good. The real magic is in fine-tuning Llama with custom data. In summary, Llama 3.1 is decent at coding and creative writing, but it's not best out there. It's wild that multiple companies are hitting the same performance ceiling with these giant models. OpenAI made a big leap with GPT-4, but since then, it's been baby steps. Sam Altman from OpenAI even asked the government to regulate AI to save humanity last year, but we are still waiting for that Skynet moment. AI hasn't replaced programmers yet, and it's starting to feel like going from propeller planes to jet engines, but never quite reaching the light speed travel. Surprisingly, Meta is the only big tech player keeping it real in the AI game. There's probably some hidden agenda, but Llama is a win for developers. One small step for AI, one giant leap for Zuckerberg's comeback.